So one of the challenges that we often see with our client base is they treat observability like a checkbox. We believe that it ought to be more embedded in the tech stack of every customer. And the reason being is it enables faster development time, faster ability to deploy to production. The challenge is they treat it like a checkbox. If some auditor came in, decided that it ought to be, and therefore it is. And so it's not well configured. It's not configured as a driver of revenue. You're not unpacking the problem and saying, okay, I have 10 engineers on this call in the middle of the night. What does that cost the business? What does that cost the business from a customer experience perspective? What's my loss of revenue because of this outage? So that's a bit of cost avoidance, but it can also be a revenue generator in that it allows the developers to have more code confidence. It allows them to deploy more quickly. If you had a feature that would take you a month and you could lower that time to 3 weeks, what's the impact to revenue of being able to deploy that more quickly because your engineers have all the data that they need to feel confident to push it across your environments from dev to stage to production. And then how does that translate over a year's time, over multiple years? Companies that do observability well perform better in the marketplace. And so if your competitors are doing it, they're deploying to production more quickly, and therefore they're slowly but surely beating you at your own game. That's why you need to embed observability deeper into your stack. We truly believe that. And the more you have it, the faster you'll be able to deploy, the less transitions of tests that you'd have to perform, the more confident your engineers will be, and the less times they'll be woken up at night.